Australian salmon. This is how you catch. Look at that. All that one there, that's Australian salmon. It's too much. Yep. Fish on. Straight away. Oh. Dami guys. Oh. Magka-chain release muna ako kasi madami naman.
Malaki oh.
Where's the net? Get the net. Oh, I lost it.
Oh.
I lost that one. That's how that's ganyan lang ka-easy guys manghuli ng ano dito isda. Sa sobrang dami. Yan yung gamit ko. Ito yan. So plastic lang. Pang trout ko to eh. Pero daming isda, sobra. Ayan guys. Ganyan lang. Whoop. Fish on straight away. Oh, nice. Oh, putol.
Oh my God.
Putol. Ulit. Okay.